Hello, everybody. Me and my sister again. We're gonna sing "Thinking About You" by Frank Ocean. Here we go. Oh, tomato flew around my roof before you came. Excuse me, you Southern rain, Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears before they fall, and I'm thinking about you. Ooh, no, no, no. Said I've been thinking about you. You know, no, no. When I'm thinking about you, do you think about me still? Do you? Do you? Do you not think so far ahead? What I've been thinking about forever. Ooh. So do you not think so far ahead? What I've been thinking about forever. Ooh. No, I don't like you, I just thought you were cool enough to kick it. Gotta be just out to say you and I the hostess. You think I don't love you, I just thought you were cute. Why I kiss you, got a fire jet, I don't get supply. So I'm lying down, thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me too? Do you? Do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I was thinking about forever. Ooh. Do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I was thinking about forever. Ooh. Yes, of course. How could I forget how you feel? How you feel? As though you were my first time. A new feel that you will never get old. Not in my soul, not in my spirit, keep it alive. And we'll go down this road till it turns some color, black and white. Do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause we've been thinking about forever. Ooh. Do you not think so far ahead? 'Cause I've been thinking about forever. Ooh. Thanks for watching. Thank you.